Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to learn how to take body composition. Body composition is the percentage of body fat one has in their body. We're going to use Skinfold measurements to find this out, and the goal is to get the most consistent measurements rather than accurate ones. Are you ready to learn? Ladies and gentlemen, start your pinching. What you'll need: a body fat measuring caliper, a subject preferably wearing shorts, a pen or a pencil, paper, and a calculator. When taking a Skinfold, you must try and pinch the fat and not the muscle. All measurements must be done on the right, and your finger and your thumb must be 1 centimeter from the caliper. You must wait 1 to 2 seconds before reading the caliper. For Skinfold, you should take duplicate measurements. First, go throughout the whole body, that's your first measurement, and do a second one so that it gives your skin time to regain normal texture. There are 7 Skinfold sites. First, we're going to look at the chest. This is a diagonal fold between the anterior axillary line and the breast. For men, it's 1/2 distance from the nipple, and women 1/3 distance from the nipple. Next, moving on to the mid-axillary. This is a vertical fold on the mid-axillary line. Now, moving on to triceps. This is a vertical fold on the posterior midline of the upper arm. You should try and pinch the fat and not the muscle. Now, going on to the subscapula. This is a diagonal fold. If you're unable to find the scapula, have the subject place his arm behind their back so it's easier to find. Once found, have them place the arm down to the side and make sure it's relaxed. Now we're going to move on to the abdominal. This is a vertical fold, 2 centimeters from the belly button. Next is the suprailiac. This is a diagonal fold aligned with the iliac crest. It's taken in the anterior axillary line superior to the iliac crest. Last, we're going to move on to the thigh. This is a vertical fold on the anterior midline of the thigh. Once both measurements are taken for the subject, you should add up all their numbers and divide by 2 so you can get the average. Now you will need a calculator to find body density. There are 2 different equations depending if the subject is male or female. Next, you can find the fat percentage using either the Siri or Brozek equation. Once fat percentage is found, you will use body composition charts to see where you stand. Keep in mind there are always errors when finding body composition, such as non-calibrated calipers, people being too lean or too obese, or the tech not being professional. So it's best to try other sources. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.